boys that win the bases and go into their bases.
The ending. Oh no! No.
Well, when people are reloading now, you cannot shoot them when they're reloading.
Okay.
Reloading.
That was action.
I know. Guys, comment down, subscribe, and like the video if you think that was cool.
Yeah.
Show the camera that I'm done.
Yes. So it ends up. Come back. New game. Surgeons.
Wait, is the video on?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So it appears that Patrick won and I lost because he hit me with a missile which takes away 2 damage. So yeah, I hope you like the video, like and subscribe.
Should we do a part 3?
It was awesome.
And stop there? Part 3 and stop?
And what will the part 3 be about?
Oh wait, that laser thing.
Oh yeah, we should do that.
Okay guys, you do not know what is coming up in the next video.
Yep.
Part 3. It has to do with Nerf guns, but it's actually not a Nerf gun.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Bye.